the coils that come around the machine. Because what you can see here is the TF coil, but where you have now TF coils that are coming all around the torus. We will have also to install CS coils, and then we will have also to bring all the other components to connect also the vacuum vessel to their ports, and to connect the ports to the interfaces that are within these galleries, to bring all the port plugs and all the equipment that will be used for diagnostic, for the all the services that we need. In order to do this, we are going to start the activity already next year with a company that has been preselected, Larsen & Toubro.
Its primary function is to charge the plasma. So initially, it's full current. You basically think of it like a spark plug. Spark plug goes off at full current, the plasma starts circulating, and then, sorry, I don't remember.